Have fun watching this cartoon. If you want to learn how to make one like it, stick around for the lesson afterward. Sometimes a line is just a line, but sometimes it can be more. At first, you may not know where to fly. Up is good. Keep going. You never know what you'll see or how far you'll go. Sometimes a line is just a line. Sometimes it's a trip. Here's how to make a cartoon like the one you just watched using Apple Keynote. Read the Apple Keynote support pages for details about specific features. To make our cartoon, here's what we'll be doing. We're going to set up a Keynote file, make the shots, and then generate a video file from the Keynote file. I like to make a starter file with these settings so I can copy it to start making each new cartoon. Make the first shot. In the Shapes panel, select the pen. Draw a horizontal line that's 5 points thick. Here's how we animate the horizontal line so that it draws itself. Open the Animate panel, click the Build In button. In the menu that appears, select Line Draw. Set the duration to 2 seconds, set the direction to start to end, and set the acceleration to ease in. Click the Build Order button. In the panel that appears, select the Line Draw action. Then right-click the Start event and select After Transition. In the Animate panel, make sure that Start Transition is set to Automatically, and the delay is set to 0. Click the Play button in the top menu to watch the shot run. Press Escape on the keyboard to stop playing the shots. To start making the second shot, go to the left sidebar, select the first shot, and duplicate it. Right-click on the line. In the menu that appears, select Make Editable. Roll over the middle of the line. You'll see a new point appear. Click it to add it into the line. Right-click on the new point. In the menu that appears, select Sharp Point. Add and move points to put a couple of bunches of grass in the line. Click on Shape in the menu bar. In the panel that appears, enter Rocket in the search field. Select the rocket ship shape. Make the rocket in the shot bigger and place it on the grass. Make the third shot by duplicating the second shot. In this third shot, we'll make the rocket wobble. Select the rocket. In the Animate panel, select Action. Then select Jiggle. Set the duration to 3 seconds. Set the intensity to small. Check the Build Order panel and make sure the Jiggle Start is set to After Transition. Duplicate the third shot to make the fourth shot. Animate the rocket taking off by adding a move action to it. Duplicate the fourth shot to make the fifth shot. Remove the grass line. Move the rocket down out of the frame and animate it flying up and out. Draw a sky blue rectangle that covers the entire frame. Make sure it is the last item in the object list and lock it down so it doesn't move when you're working on other things. Make a cloud by joining 3 circles together. Draw and arrange 3 different sized circles. Select all 3 circles. In the Format panel, click the Arrange button. In the Arrange section, click the Unite button to join the circles into one shape, a cloud. Duplicate the cloud a couple of times. Duplicate the 5th shot to make the 6th shot. Change the color of the sky to a darker blue. Copy the clouds and resize them. Move the big cloud bank down. Put the smaller cloud bank in the bottom third. Animate the rocket flying up and to the right. Duplicate shot 6 for shot 7. Remove the clouds. Make the sky a darker blue. Get a star from the Shape menu. Make a bunch of stars. Animate the stars moving down from above. Animate the rocket flying up. Copy shot 7 for shot 8. Place the star field where it was at the end of the animation in the previous shot, but in this shot, remove the animation on the star field. Animate the rocket flying up and wiggling. Make the star field sparkle as it disappears by adding the sparkle build-out action to it. Duplicate shot 8 for shot 9. Remove the stars. Move the rocket to the lower left and rotate it. Animate the rocket flying to the upper right. Copy the line from shot 1. Change its color to white. Use the same line drawing build-in animation. Animate the line build-out with a lens flare. Click on the text item in the main menu. In the text block that appears, type in Hello World. Select the text block and rotate it 20 degrees. Select the Hello World text block. In the Animate panel, click the Build In button. Click the Add an Effect button and select Fireworks. Now we're ready to make the video. In the Keynote File menu, select Export to and then Movie. In the panel that appears, select 1080p. In the panel that appears, click the Export button. After a few minutes, the video file with the extension M4V will appear on the desktop or the folder you selected. Change the extension in the name to MP4 so the video can be published on, say, YouTube. And that's it! You've got a cartoon! Here's a few tips to remember when you're making cartoons. There's more tips in the description. Hope you enjoyed this Making Moments lesson. Our lessons are about making your own art. Like painting a picture, writing a poem, or composing a song, you can imagine and create cartoons all on your own. All cartoons on the Movies by Martino channel are made with Apple Keynote and Pixelfield KeyShape. For more tips, read the description. Subscribe and catch the next cartoon lesson. Movies by Martino.
Small movies.
Big fun.